Dance up, Carol Angels. Dance up, Carol Angels. DJ Joelanas in the mix.